Hello people and welcome to this week's tech tip. Today we're going to talk about a feature called HVAC notch in MWF floor module, and if I just hover over the feature we get a brief description which reads created notch on MWF joist, and if I read further it reads created notch on a joist given a length and width around a reference beam or a duct. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can use the feature. So as you can see, I have a generic floor here, as you can see here, and I've added a rectangular duct. You can add it by going through systems, and you can see duct here. And you can also choose different kind. I'm just gonna go with the rectangular duct today. When you select the duct, you can also see the width, height, and middle elevation of the duct. So once I have this set up, I'm just gonna go and frame my floor. And once, as you can see, my floor is framed, now I can use the feature. I would find this feature in the floor module under Edit tab and HVAC notch. Again, once I click on it, you can see at the bottom left it reads select an HVAC element to do a notch. So we're just gonna go ahead and select the HVAC element, and once you select on it, the description at the bottom left changes to select the panel where you want to cut a notch. So I'm just gonna select my panel, and I'm just gonna wait till this window pops up. Here you need to mention the width and a height of your reference duct, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna leave it as a feet for the width and 6 inches for the height. And you also need to specify the location where it stands in the panel. So I know it's at the bottom, so I'm just gonna click on bottom. So I want my notch to I want MWF to create notches at the bottom half of the panel. And so I'm happy with my width, height, and selection. I'm just gonna hit OK, and if I can zoom in, you can see the notches have been created, as you can see. And if I just hide my reference, as you can see, the notches have been inserted to the floor panel. So this is how you can create notch in your joist when you have a reference duct or a beam.